What can be better than a cup of cheddar broccoli soup? Well, a cup of cheddar broccoli soup that comes together in a matter of minutes in your microwave. Hello everybody, I am Deborah. Welcome. Today, you guys, we are going to do exactly that. We are going to take a few ingredients that we use in a traditional cheddar broccoli soup. We are going to put it all together and we are going to make this in the microwave. And yes, it is all going to come together in a matter of minutes. You guys, everything that you need to put this deliciousness together is up there on the screen. Gather everything, come in close, and we are going to put together this delicious bowl of cheddar broccoli soup coming up next. Welcome back, everyone. Well, you know how we're all inspired to cook and put recipes together. I have to tell you, today's recipe was inspired by a recipe that I actually put together a few months ago, and it was the filling in a stuffed zucchini bowl. And as soon as I saw it, it's like, okay, this is the perfect beginning to a cheddar broccoli soup. So here we are, you guys. So I'm all about prepping. So that's exactly what I've done. I have taken some broccoli, frozen broccoli for the sake of time. I have microwaved it according to the instructions, went ahead and chopped it into small pieces, and then everything else has already been pre-measured. So guys, come in close, and we are going to put together this soup. Okay, this is the cup that I'm going to be using to put together my soup. It is about a 2-cup capacity. I've already have a teaspoon of butter in it, and to this I'm going to add some minced garlic. And off to the microwave this goes to melt. Okay, this butter has melted, so to this butter garlic mixture, we are going to add a thickener. Now, whether or not you decide to use a cornstarch or a xanthan gum is solely up to you. This evening, I am going to use a sodium citrate. So go ahead and add this in and give this a mix. And now add in our broth. Mix, and back into the microwave this goes. Okay, everyone, and here is our broth. I'm telling you, I am getting really happy right about now. So to this, let's just add a turn of some cracked black pepper. And we are going to continue on with layering in these ingredients. So let's add some chives, sour cream, carrots, broccoli, and the last ingredient is the cheddar cheese. And off to the microwave this goes. All right, guys, our soup is ready. Doesn't that look amazing? And you should smell it. Everything is heated through. This cheese, cream cheese, and all the flavors of the chives and garlic have come together beautifully. And then all we need to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, everyone, how simple was that? And absolutely delicious. Let's give it a try. Lord, I thank you. So good. I'm sure you have everything that you need to put a cup of delicious cheddar broccoli soup together in your microwave. So you guys, I encourage you to get all the ingredients together, give this a try, and when you do, leave in the comments, let everyone know that you did and how phenomenal this is. Now, I'm going to get ready to make a cup of this for my husband. The only thing that I'm going to do differently is that to his, I'm going to add a splash of heavy whipping cream because he likes the heavy whipping cream in his. Guys, I'm trying to cut back on some of the calories for me, okay? But as far as he's concerned, doesn't really matter. You guys, thank you so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you real soon on my next Fit That 50 and enjoy.